Okay, just wanted to update on the winter storm of 2026, snowmageddon 2026. So this is the National Weather Service map. The pink is the winter storm warning. Purple here is the ice storm warning. It's Friday night, 11 o'clock, in Ohio here near Columbus. Um, Look at the radar. So it looks like it's right now Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and the mixed ice, snow right here, sleet, snow around Oklahoma City. Let's look at the traffic map, refresh that. So there's some yellow. Looks like traffic is slowing down. Here's our meter. Light green is go, good. Heavy red, slow traffic. Dallas is good. In between Dallas and City, starting to get slow going. And coincides with radar. I also have the outage map. It's okay so far. This area. Homa looks good. I'll check in tomorrow morning and see how things change. Flights starting to get canceled and delayed. Right now, looks like they're moving through it just fine. So we'll go over this whole area and kind of look at who's getting. I think this is interesting. Started. This is New Mexico, Santa Rosa. Um, 4 to 8 in New Mexico. Is that a thing? I've not heard of, but that just I think desert. Can't I? I can't. I can't believe it. Texas area, Dallas storm warning, 6 p.m. this evening to noon Sunday. 1 to 4 inch sleet, snow, ice, quarter, half an inch. Yeah, it's tough. The ice looks like 2 to 4 inches of snow and sleet, and then 1/4 to 3/4 inch of ice. Right now, it's hovering around that freezing mark. So, um, I showed 8 to 12 inch work. Hello. 12 to 18. Good luck with that. But these states are used down here. From what I've heard, I don't know much, but it's not like they have large fleets of snow trucks and salt trucks. So I'd imagine, and it's gonna be cold. It's not a one like 12-hour shot of cold. It's gonna be a couple days. It's gonna stay cold, and that ice is gonna stay on those trees. It's not just gonna melt right off. So I'd imagine, it's gonna stress the trees, all that heavy ice trees, and then the roads, may they're not treated, are gonna stay snow packed, snow ice, and it could make travel really difficult, especially for essentials, emergency person, that sort of thing. Nurses trying to get to the nursing, etc. Nurses trying to get to the hospital, all that kind of essential. Um, 6 degrees there. What the heck? Storm 6 to 12 inches there in Texas. So I mean, it's just most of the country. It's anywhere from 4 to 18 inches, and then ice for here looks good. Like Louisiana, that's 1/4 to 3/4. Pittsburgh, 4/10. That's start to get close to an inch of ice. Really stressed. Georgia. It says 1/4 inch to an inch. Major impacts including dangerous power outage. Yeah, here's what I was saying. Exacerbated by cold temperature. That ice is gonna stay in those trees and power lines. So 1/4 inch for a few hours or 12 hours, not so bad. It's gonna be on there for a long time. 24 hours, 48 hours, starts to stress. Uh, Things start to bend over time. Break. So, where we're at right now, Friday night, day 2.